Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 10th March. It's quite some time since I made a full-time video. I've been doing the short video as it is more easy to just do it and post it. This is the 15-minute of Banknifty and we'll see the levels for tomorrow 10th March and overall market view, what could possibly happen. See, yesterday if somebody had seen my short video, it was pretty clear that we had this level marked, right? That is between 41,660 to 41,690 where we could take resistance. In the morning we got a small gap down, came down, went over here, took nice resistance and then had a slip on the downside. Though from morning in we had a view that we could get a slip based on the open interest. So in the morning itself we were waiting to see if 41,400 breaks, then we would get some short view, but this type of a bounce came and then we had a dip. So once this bounce came, we were pretty sure that we will take resistance over here. Not only the price action, along with that, if we check all the oscillators were showing some sort of a nice divergence where the price was making a higher high, all the indicators were making a lower high. So this was one reason why we had this nice short view. And if you see our group from morning, we were kind of based on the open interest, right? In the morning itself at 9:42 we had a view that we could slip on the downside, though this bounce came and then we kind of hit all our targets. Now on the 15-minute chart, if you see the levels for tomorrow is depending on whether we get a gap up or a gap down. The next short trade is if this 41,140, the way we were falling in the end, I thought this level might come today itself. So the next short trade is if 41,140 breaks, right? If this level breaks, because twice there has been a price that bounced from here. So if we break this level 41,040, the target on the downside is 40,850 and this level of 40,600. Right here there is a gap, so we'll have to be careful, meaning whenever we come closer to a gap, right, meaning this gap area, either this gap boundary can act as a support, or if we come inside the gap we can come all the way until 40,300. so that is little extended targets. A good target I'm seeing is 40,850 and 40,600 if we continue to break this 41,140 level. And if you see the overall structure as of now, right, in the Banknifty on the 15-minute chart, after a good up move from a bounce from 39,600, we have come here and we are kind of making this double top pattern, right? We made this one top, came again. So how, if for this double top to work, this is the neckline. If this neckline breaks, even this double top target can be achieved. If I mark the target, these are all basics, right? If the double top target is coming in right over here, so 40,600 is definitely a strong support, even it is the double top target that we have. And any trade on the upside is, see, we are having a view that this support will break tomorrow, right? It's not necessary that has to happen. We can come here and kind of bounce and again get one small bounce, right, before we break this or before we go lower. Even this is possible. So in case we get a strong support here at 41,040, like a nice bullish candle, and if we see some kind of a bullish divergence in the oscillators, we might go long with the targets as the first target would be here, that is 41,400, and then we have, let me just mark it with, the first target on the upside is 41,400. Now whichever levels is not that important, meaning the price may take support or not, resistance or not, that I would put it in like this thin line. A strong support and resistance, I would keep it in a thick line. So if 41,400 breaks and we go higher, then we'll hit 41,500 for sure. The entire market structure right now, it is sideways, right? We had a nice up move from 39,600 and we are sideways. The entire structure of the market will again continue to be bullish if we break out of this 41,600 level. But our view is on the downside, so Let's see, and the downside will work if we go below 41,040. So let's see how Bank Nifty plays out tomorrow. And if we just put the CPR, though we had a white CPR, we had a nice trendy move from the previous day high until S1. In case we get some kind of a small gap up, right? See here, these three lines are the tomorrow CPR. So we could expect some kind of a resistance at this CPR and then some down move. And we'll quickly check the Nifty. See, for Nifty, Nifty was more bearish today throughout the day compared to Bank Nifty. When this bounce came, Nifty didn't bounce much. It was the Bank Nifty that gave us a nice bounce, right? But not Nifty. So for see, in Nifty, in my live analysis and yesterday when I pointed that this level was a support that we had, right, marked. So we kind of came here, halted here, and we have broken the support. So tomorrow, possibly depending on a gap up or a gap down, we might come here at this level, 17,540, and we'll have to see how the price reacts at this level. We could get some small bounce, but if this level breaks, then the next target is 17,429. Before that, we have this level where the price can take some sort of a support at 17,460. So these are the levels that we have for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we had all these levels marked from the morning, and most of it did hit, though we got this nice bounce and then our target hit, but our view kind of worked for the day.